The federal government has closed its case to force a non-declaration of assets against Justice Walter Onnoghen at the Code of Conduct Tribunal, dropping all charges. Although counsel to the federal government Aliyu Umar had earlier intended to present 6 witnesses against Onnoghen, Umar presented only 3 witnesses before the government resolved to drop the charges and close the case. The federal government's decision came barely 24 hours after the acting CJN Tanko Mohammed swore in the remaining 13 members of the 2019 Election Petition Tribunal. Following Onnoghen's suspension, opposition PDP alleged removal was employed to aid the APC to dominate the Election Petition Tribunal. In response to the federal government's decision, Onnoghen chose to file a no-case submission. The effect of the no-case submission is that Onnoghen is seeking an acquittal from court without having to present a defense on the grounds that the federal government has failed to make a successful case against him. In response, the tribunal ordered Onnoghen to file his no-case submission, to which the prosecution must reply before March 29th. The 17th Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Walter Onnoghen, was suspended by the federal government over allegations of failure to declare his assets and a breach of the Code of Conduct Bureau and Tribunal Act of 1991. On the 11th of January 2019, the federal government filed 6 charges of false asset declaration against him. Following Onnoghen's suspension, President Buhari appointed Tanko Mohammed as acting CJN. Acting CJN Tanko Mohammed indicated in an earlier statement assuring Nigerians that Walter Onnoghen remains a substantive CJN, and if the court order against Onnoghen is set aside, he would step aside and Onnoghen would resume the office of the CJN. Roots TV, Nigeria.